Good morning. Welcome to a pretty wet day in Somerset. Today I want to talk about something that I've done to my Mazda and I'm regretting it quite badly. I changed the engine mounts. After going to M-Tech, they found my engine mounts were literally cracked in half. They were non-existent, they weren't even holding the engine in properly. They needed to be changed, and luckily, because I'm a car enthusiast, I had the parts ready to go. So I got some polyurethane engine mounts off eBay for £40, and I was thinking at the time, wow, these are really cheap. There's a reason. It turns out, as you'll see when I start it up. This is now what I have to live with. Yes, this is what I have to live with now. I can't hear the engine over the vibrations, and everything is vibrating. I'm not quite sure what to do about this because it's extremely bad, as you can see, and I really don't like it. So before any of you mention it's not too bad, that's because I'm idling right now. If the engine revs are below 1100 RPM, it's not so bad. This is below 3000. The whole dashboard right now is vibrating. Everything. It's not trying to find a rattle now, the car is a rattle. The steering wheel is vibrating. Just micro jitters everywhere. Oh, did I mention I changed the PPF over, hasn't fixed it, so that's good. So it sounds like it'll be a drive shaft or a prop shaft. It's okay though, on a positive note, you can't hear the rattle anymore because of all the vibration. You can't hear the engine either, so that's good. Now we've got some fuel, let's talk about some of the pros since I've been a proper negative Nancy. There are some little ones. The first pro, and I'm going to list these off the top of my head, I haven't planned them. First one is to do with that. It is so smooth. There's no missing gears anymore. There used to be tons, now there's none. Before I got these engine mounts changed, the gear stick would get erect, it would get a little excited. In hard pulls, it would be lifting about 3 inches. Now, and then it would drop. As soon as you drop the clutch, the whole gear stick would just drop down. Now it doesn't, it stays exactly where it should be. The engine now feels smoother as well. When you switch the car off, there's no shake at the end like it used to get. Now you switch the engine off and it just goes doo-doo. That's it. Doo-doo-doo. Like that. Doo-doo-doo. So that's 2 pros. It's much smoother and the gear stick doesn't move around, which means no missing gears. No. Just switch. It's better. See what I mean? Just switch stuff. That's it. Anyway, my advice if you were looking for new engine mounts, 2 options. Go for really expensive AWR ones from the States, or just go OEM. I wish so much that I just decided to go for OEM in the first place. You won't get that complete perfect smooth drivetrain, so you'll still get a bit of gearbox movement because of the extra boost if you're charged. But apart from that, it will be so much more dailyable. Luckily, I've got 2 cars, so I don't have to live with this. But I have found that even just the probably 30 miles I've done with these, I've just not wanted to drive the car. Honestly, I'm literally not driving the car sometimes because it's so horrific. And on that note, thanks for watching. If you are, don't bother with cheap polyurethane engine mounts. That is the tip for the day. Make sure you subscribe if you liked the video, hit the like button if you did, and I will see you in the next video. See you later. Food.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.